What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. This is Valentine's Day week, so why not do something that everybody loves? It's chicken. You can't go wrong with chicken, and it's still early enough for you guys to hit the grocery store and get your favorite parts of the chicken, because we are going to oven fry some chicken. Do we ever get tired of chicken? No, we don't. You smell it, you want it. You say you're tired, you smell it, you want it. But guess what? I think this is a good way. If you don't have an air fryer, this is the next best step. They were doing this before the air fryer, oven fried chicken. Guys, let's get started. Now, you just need your favorite parts of the chicken. I pulled what I had in my freezer. We got some drumsticks on deck, okay? They already cleaned and pat dry. I got about 10, 11. I had 3 eggs beaten in here. Now, this is where the part come in. I want to let you guys know. If I'm not seasoning my chicken because I'm using a seasoned flour, a flour that's already seasoned. I don't need to season my chicken. If you don't have a seasoned flour, at this point, pull out the best seasons that you use to fry your chicken. Season your chicken, massage it in, and that's it. Then you want to go in again with your egg. I have 3 eggs here. Preheat your oven at 350. This is going to go in the oven on a baker's rack at 350 for about 30 minutes. If you don't have a baker's rack, you don't know what a baker's rack is, that's this, on a cookie sheet. You could use a cookie sheet. It'll still come out perfect. So I'm going in with my hands. Just massage my egg all over that chicken. Again, my chicken is not seasoned. I'm using a seasoned flour. If you don't have a flour that's already seasoned, please season your chicken to your liking, to the seasons that you normally use on your chicken. Because remember, it's your kitchen, it's your food. Yes. And I just want to make sure all my chicken is covered and coated with these eggs. It's like you give them a massage. Massage it in. Yes. And you can plate this with your best sides for Valentine's Day. Some asparagus, some cabbage, some mashed potatoes, some fried rice, broccoli, you know. Anything go with fried chicken. Make it your own Valentine's Day dinner just with this special oven fried chicken. He can eat as many pieces as he or her want, or he or she want. You know what I'm talking about. So this is nice and coated and massaged in. Let me wash my hands and we be right back to place it on the rack. Okay, guys, I have my baker's rack. I have my old ugly cookie sheet. You know, it's been doing some good cooking on there. And I have my seasoned flour, and I have here my drumsticks coated in my egg batter. Remember, if you don't have seasoned flour, ladies and gentlemen, season your chicken with all the ingredients you've been seasoning your chicken with. Okay, I drip that egg off. It is as simple as this. Shake it off. Make sure it's nice and coated. And just sit it on your rack. And that's going to be some oven fried chicken, guys. And look, there's this family in the DMV area. They're new to YouTube. They're just getting started. Let's show them some love. They're called K&T's World. It's K as in kite, N as in Nancy, T as in Tom, apostrophe S, and the word world. Let's show them some love, guys, okay? They're new to YouTube. Their link is going to be below. I found them about maybe 4 or 5 months ago. But they've been watching your girl, right? And they're a family channel. They have some beautiful children. They mukbang, they grocery store vlog. Yeah, so check them out. Subscribe to their channel. Let's give them a hand. I love when everybody's trying to do their own thing, and I just love their family. And his wife is expecting. So yeah, new mom. Some kids getting some brothers and sisters. It's this easy, guys. The flour I'm using is already seasoned. And they make seasoned flour if you want to go that route. If not, just season your chicken. Season your own flour. I think I'm able to get all this on there. Shake it all. We almost there. Yeah, they're good, guys. Shake off that egg batter. And let, ooh, look, I'm putting flour all on my baking mitt. That's okay. I'm actually setting a timer on this because I want, this is a quick, easy, juicy oven fried chicken. Just make sure you get it nice and coated, just like you would if you was frying this baby on the stove. Last one. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was right. I said 11, wasn't even sure. It just looked like it was 11. And there it is. This is going in the oven, guys, on 350 for 30 minutes. You don't have to put any spray, no oil or nothing on this. It's going to fry up crispy in the oven. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, guys, we are back. Tell me that it's not oven fried chicken. It looked like fried chicken on top of the stove. Now, there is a couple of things. We're going to move it over here because I want to place it on my tray. I did tell you guys 350. I say 350 for everything. My oven was actually on 400. So I apologize for that. So look how crispy it's coming. Can you hear the sound of this chicken? You hear that crispy that chicken is? That's in the oven, guys. So this chicken cooked in the oven on 400 for 45 minutes. Just because I didn't do 30 minutes because the legs, the drumsticks are kind of big. So like if you had maybe had some wings or maybe you had some party wings or something, you could have did like maybe the 30 minutes. But I want to make sure they were done in and out. So I cooked them on 400 for 45 minutes. I'm going to say almost 50 minutes. I did flip them halfway through at around about the 20-minute, 22-minute mark because I did use a timer. I flipped them halfway through. Guys, look at this chicken. I didn't grease. Oh, my goodness. You can't tell me. I didn't even grease the baking dish. Now, if you want, you could grease your baking dish, spray with a little bit of oil. I didn't do none of that. Literally, I didn't. And I think not doing that, I don't know. It came out perfect. I said perfect. Perfect. I like the way it looked. Do you guys like the way it looked? You know what? You think I should add some of my little parsley flakes on here? Because I like the green. Y'all know I love the green stuff. Just to give it some color. This came out good, guys. Oven fried. So this is oven. I know I'm knocking. This is real life. I got a lot going on in my house. But guys, don't forget to check out KNT. What is it? KNT, possibly S. KNT's World. Their link is going to be in the description below. Again, they're a good family, loving family. You're going to love their channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this right here and make it your way. Until next time, everything's going to be in the description below. Love you, Soul Squad.